for clicking on my channel, Joy's Way. I'm Joy. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning supporter of mine, welcome back, awesome person. So today I want to share with you my Boxycharm add-ons or pop-up sale. So they got me. Said I was going to be done, but I lied, obviously. And I ended up getting a premium box from a few months ago, and then a old base box with an additional item. So I should have 12 full-size items, plus I ordered this little lonesome Ace Beauté silver a single shade. It is that color, and I ain't gonna swatch everything, but I'm gonna swatch the silver because I love silver. So pretty, so pretty. And I believe this was like $3 or $4 on the add-on store. So now I have the whole set because Boxycharm sent me the other two colors like in one of my very first boxes with them over a year ago. So I did open these up. Ouch, ouch, ow. Obviously I opened the box, I cut everything up to make it easier. So this one here is the premium box. Premium boxes are always blue. Now, before I go into this, if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, they are a monthly subscription company that you can get mainly makeup items from, some skincare, and some beauty. Well, should I say mainly skincare? No. Anyways, these boxes that I ordered, I know everything that I got in them, and I mainly got them for 5 products total out of the 2 boxes. But I also leave all the information about Boxycharm down in the description below. In case anybody's interested, they can check it out themselves. So the this was Bubbles and Glitz. So I think this was the New Year's one. I think this was January's. And we're just going to go in order of it. And it does say this is the old card. It says I got variation 1. So the first thing in here is the Viseart Professional Makeup Palette, and this is $80. I don't have this. Nope. Alrighty. And that's what that looks like. I do have the other one, but my dogs ate it, so I lost a shade out of it. Okay, and then the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Oh, I'm actually super excited for this too. And this is $82. Elemis is really, really good though. Everything that I've tried of theirs has been wonderful. Ooh, look at that packaging. It is so pretty, so pretty. It does come with a protective thingy, so that is awesome sauce. And then the next thing we have is the True and Luscious, True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette, and this is $46. So I got this box, well, the 2 boxes for the palettes, and those are the colors of that. I actually don't own this, and I have like entered in like a half a dozen giveaways that had this palette in there, and I haven't won it, so I just figured I should probably just buy it my damn self. Alrighty, and then we have this thing here, and it's a 100% natural cuticle oil, the Lifestyle Company, and it says it is for $22. Ew, it's like leaking. Can you see that? Ugh. Take a second. Well, I'm glad that it was in this little thing. Okay, and then we have the Crown All Eyes on You brush set, which is that. That's pretty. They're awfully big, so that's probably going to go in a future giveaway. And these are $34.95. Okay. And then the last thing in here is a Elizabeth Moth It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. And this is that. I'm not going to open and show you the wand because I have no business opening up any mascaras right now, but that is what the outside packaging looks like. And this is $20. I went ahead and added up all of the items, and it came to $284.95, and I paid $29.99 for this premium box on the add-ons. Now to the base box. Open it up. It does look like this. And this card is Fresh Start, and I don't remember when this was. I don't remember, but it has the new variation on it. So I have variation 39. So I'm just going to go ahead and go right in order. And I went ahead and got this box for this palette right here, which is the Violet Voss Olive You palette, or Olive You Forever palette. Not that I need any more green palettes, but I don't have this palette. And that is what that looks like. And I know there's not many greens in it, but there's enough to make a look. I know I'm weird. I know I'm weird. And let's see. And this palette is $34. The next thing is the Elmis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, and I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it. I actually have one in backup already, so that's what that looks like. So I'm not going to open it, but I'm most likely going to keep it. I don't know, I may decide to put it in a future giveaway because I already have one for backup, but I don't know, I really like this, and this is $49. The next thing we have in here is the Advent Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. This is $90, and can you see how that's dark blue and that's light blue? That's so cool. Shake it up. Okay, it mixes together. That's good. But anyways, I'm trying to get enough of the Advent skincare to do a whole face of skincare with, so that I got this box for this too. Alrighty, the next thing in here is the, where's it at? Can't. Is it this? Yes, is the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss, and this is $16, and it is in the color Toffee Gloss. Most likely this too will go into a future giveaway. Oh, that's so pretty though. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's a shame. I don't really care for glosses. I want to try them, but I'm not a gloss girl. I have to just admit it. I'm not a gloss girl. But, it is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. And then the next thing is the Qveen Studio, the Qveen Studio Dragon Duo. And I think I have one of these. I might be wrong. I think I do. I think I got one. I think I put it up for, or maybe I gave it to my daughter or something. I don't remember. But anyways, oh, that is awesome. And this is $28. So this box came up to $217, and I paid $24.99 for it plus tax, and it came with an extra item, and that extra item is this iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. And I do not have this face palette either. Oh man, my sinuses and allergies are like really messing with my voice. Alrighty. Ooh, this is pretty. And that is what that looks like. Super excited for all of it. So, I don't think I did too bad spending like what? $55 and getting over $400 worth of products and a free item. Alrighty. I do hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox my pop-ups or add-on sale, because I never remember what it is or what I ordered from anyways. But I want you to know that I appreciate every single minute that you come and spend with me. I have so much love for you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome and peace out, awesome crew.